Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
Do you think children should learn to play a musical instrument at school?
I believe schools should have the facility for the interested students who want to learn to sing and play a musical instrument, but they should not force all of them. If a child at school feels passionate about learning it, he or she should be given the choice to do so. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.